Today we're gonna unbox this Moman motorcycle helmet headset, and it's under $24. Let's check it out. All right, let's unbox this thing. All right. This is the box. This is the side of the box. All right, let's see what's inside. Get this out of the way. Got instructions. We got the headset. Let's satisfy. So there it is. Has a good weight to it. Looks like there's just power. Looks like we just have these 3 buttons and then 2 at the top. Okay, what else do we got? The charger, the clip for the helmet, your speakers, microphone, and some Velcro and Allen key. Doesn't look like it comes charged, so I'm gonna charge it and then get back to you guys. All right, so I got it charged for a few minutes. Let's turn it on. Just hold it down for 3 seconds. Okay, I already have it paired to my iPad. Let's connect the speakers. So down here you have the USB-C. And let's see how loud it gets. That's at half volume. Turn it up all the way. It's pretty loud. Sure, it's gonna sound a lot louder when these speakers are right next to your ear, but not bad for $24. Let's see if we can pause. All right, so the power pauses the music. Press it again, plays. They have the Cardo Pack Talk Bold, and this is like $300. But you do get the JBL speakers, but I think as long as I can hear the music, it's fine. And I think for $24, this is more than enough. You don't have to use your AirPods or earbuds. You can have your speakers built into your helmet for $24. That's crazy. And they sound pretty good. So I'm gonna set it up on my helmet and we'll see how it sounds. All right, so there it is. The microphone, speakers are in. Let's try it out. We'll start at a 1/4 volume. Half volume. Full volume. Not bad. Not bad for $24. I did try it out on my head. Honestly, the volume isn't as loud as the Cardo's JBL speakers. The quality also isn't as good, but again, the Cardo is $250 to $300. And this is only $24. The only thing is you can't connect to groups like the Cardo can. So anybody with a Cardo you can connect to up to 15 people, I think, with this one that I have. Most of the time I'm just listening to music occasional phone calls, or listen to the GPS. So for $24, that's a steal. So if you're looking for a cheap Bluetooth headset for your motorcycle helmet, go check out Moman. The link is down below. $24, can't go wrong.